Welcome to the video lecture series of satellite communication. Today, I will discuss multiple choice questions based on direct broadcast satellite television and radio. See, in today's topic, you have to remember lots of things because most of the questions are theoretical, which are based on facts and figures. So you must remember the values, you must remember the facts. Let us start. First question is, in which band digital DBS TV transmission occurs? So it occurs in KU band. Answer is B. Question number 2 is, digital DBS TV signals are transmitted as? So transmission is being done by using QPSK. You must remember it, and it is happened at 20 megabits per second, means answer is A. Question number 3 is, DBS TV system employs, 4 options have been given: small antennas, low cost receiving system, big antennas, high cost receiving system, small antennas, high cost, and big. So DBS system employs small antennas with low cost receiving systems. Answer is A. Question number 4 is, digital TV signals are transmitted as? For which particular? Means transponder bandwidth. Since you are aware that digital TV signals, it uses QPSK. It means one thing is clear, QPSK, and it occupies 27 megahertz of the transponder bandwidth, means answer is A. Question number 5 is, what is the range of link margin of DBS TV signal? So link margin is 4 to 8 dB. Answer is B. Question number 6 is, which of the below mentioned factor is not associated with DBS system? You have to pick that option which is not associated over here. Decryption, QPSK, C-band, MPHG coding. Decryption is used, QPSK is the kind of modulation being used, MPEG decoding is also used. It means the factor which is not the correct one is C. As I've told you, you have to remember a lots of things, so read it carefully. Question number 7 is, in DBS TV system, low noise block converter is placed. Means where this particular low noise block converter is placed. It is placed on rooftop, on antenna feed, inside TV, or it can be placed anywhere. So this low noise block converter must be placed on antenna feed, means answer is B. Question number 8 is, in comparison to CD recording, error control in digital signal is? If you compare the error control in case of CD recording and in case of digital signal, so digital signal error control is less efficient, more efficient, or same, or cannot be controlled. So if you compare both of these cases, means error control remains same. Answer is C. Question number 9 is, in DBS TV system, the bit rate of an MPEG2 coded signal in the case of live program with a lot of motion increases above the average value of 6.2 megabits per second. Next question is, a film is digitized which is to be broadcast on DBS TV system and it is processed through MPEG2 compression. So how much data rate will be reduced to? Data rate will be reduced to 1.6 megabits per second. Remember these figures. Answer is B. Question number 11 is, decoding process in DBS TV signal involve encoding by convolution code and interleaving by Reed-Solomon code, encoding by Reed-Solomon and decoding by convolution, encoding by convolution and decoding by Reed-Solomon. So read all these 4 options carefully and you will be able to pick the correct one. Decoding process in DBS TV signal, this particular process involve encoding by Reed-Solomon code, interleaving and decoding by convolution, and the answer is D. Question number 12 is, in DBS TV system, dual polarization is required when more than two channels are to be received, only two channels are required, main program channel and encoding channel are to be received, and it does not depend upon the number of channels. So dual polarization is required in the case of the main program channel and encoding channel, means when both of these channels are to be received. Let us check the answer. This is the correct one. Question number 13 is, typical diameter of DBS TV antenna is, its dia is 0.45 meter. Correct answer. Question number 14 is, the uplink signal from DBS TV earth station, intermediate frequency in QPSK modulation must be. So what could be the intermediate frequency? This frequency must be 70 megahertz. Remember it. Answer is A. Question number 15 is, in DBS receiving terminal, the electronically controlled polarized behind the antenna feed can be set to receive which kind of polarization? Right hand, left hand, either of these or none of these. So any kind of polarization can be received. It means the answer is C. Question number 16 is, the uplink RF signal of DBS earth station is. Remember it, here we are talking about the uplink RF signal. So uplink RF signal is modulated with what? QPSK. This is very well aware, and KU band is used. It means QPSK modulated KU band carrier. Answer is A. Question number 17 is, major requirement for digital TV is. What is the major requirement? Bit rate must be kept low, very high bit rate. It does not depend on bit rate, and bit rate may vary from user to user. So major requirement is very high bit rate. Answer is B. Question number 18. According to the International CCIR 601 television standard, for studio quality television pictures, when it is digitized, what is the required bit rate? The required bit rate is 216 megabits per second. Let us check the answer. This is correct as well. Question number 19 is, which of the MPEG is not valid for use in current? Four options have been given. You can identify the false one very quickly, because you know MPEG 1, 2, 4, 7 are used, means the invalid term is MPEG 10. Question number 20 is, which band has been set aside for exclusively use of DBS TV satellites in geostationary orbit? What is that particular frequency band? The frequency band is 12.2 to 12.7 gigahertz. Answer is A. Question number 21 is, how many high powered transponders is carried by each DBS TV satellite? So number of transponder which is being carried is 32. Answer is D. Remember all these figures. Question number 22 is, the DTH home receiver consists of what? DTH home receiver consists of outdoor unit, indoor unit, or both the units, or only antenna system. So DTH home receiver consists both outdoor and indoor unit. Answer is C. Next question is, video signals in TV are amplitude modulated, demodulated, frequency modulated, or none of these. So video signals in TV are amplitude modulated. Let us check the answer. Question number 26 is, sound signal in TV are amplitude modulated, DC modulated, frequency modulated, or amplitude and frequency both. So the sound signal in TV are frequency modulated. Answer is C. Remember, video signals are amplitude modulated and sound signals are frequency modulated in case of television. Question number 25 is, the signal fed to the indoor unit is normally a wide signal and it covers a range of, what is that particular range? 4 options have been given. Read all the 4 options carefully. So it covers range from 950 to 1450 megahertz. Answer is B. Question number 26 is, a major difference between DBS TV and conventional TV is that frequency modulation is used in DBS TV while amplitude modulation is used in conventional TV. Second option is frequency modulation is used in DBS while digital modulation is used in conventional. Third is phase modulation is used in DBS while amplitude modulation in conventional TV. And last option is D. So you must remember that frequency modulation is used in DBS while amplitude modulation is used in conventional TV. It means answer is A. And this is the correct as well. Next question is, MATV stands for what? MATV is Master Antenna Television. You can pick it very quickly. Question number 28, CATV stands for what? CATV stands for Community Antenna Television. These are very simple and frequently asked questions, so you can pick it very quickly. Here also in case of 28 number question, correct answer is A. Question number 29, name the unit which CATV system employs with separate feeds available for each sense of polarization. You must read this question carefully. So what is that particular unit? It is indoor unit or outdoor unit or TV unit or none of these. So that unit which CATV system employs with separate feeds available for each sense of polarization, that is the outdoor unit. Answer is B. Question number 30 is, DBS services stands for what? What do you mean by DBS services? Options are given. Direct broadcast satellite, distance broadcast satellite, distributed broadcast satellite. DBS is a commonly used term. You can remember it and you can recall it as well. It's a direct broadcast satellite. Answer is A. Question number 31 is, broadcast services include. Some of the options have been given: audio services, television services, internet services, or all of these. So broadcast services includes all these options: audio, television, internet. So correct answer is D. Question number 32 is, direct broadcast television is digital TV, double TV, analog TV, or none of this. So it must be a digital TV. Let us check the answer. This is the correct as well. Question number 33 is, ODU stands for what? ODU is outdoor unit. So it would be home receiver outdoor unit. Remember it. Answer is B. Next question is, IDU stands for what? IDU stands for indoor unit. As ODU stands for outdoor unit, it is indoor unit. So what would be this? The home receiver indoor unit. It means the answer is C. Next question is, in DBS system, MPEG1 is used for video compression, MPEG1 is used for audio compression, MPEG1 is used for picture compression, or none of this. So in DBS system, you have studied it a number of times that MPEG1 is used for audio compression, means answer is B. Question number 36, the last question. The main factor governing performance of a DBS system will be the EB upon N0. And what would be this particular? Either it is a uplink, downlink, or uplink, downlink, or none of these. So this particular factor for a DBS, it is related to the downlink. So answer must be B. Let us check the answer. This is correct as well. So what I would like to tell you that in this particular topic, you have to remember various facts and figures because the most of the questions are theoretical. So you have to keep all these things on the tips. Then only you are going to pick the correct answer and you will be able to solve the question in a given time interval. Thank you so much.